Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Right now. Some people are going to say you're wicked. Always have people are going to say you're wicked. And not everybody agree with everything that you say. But I don't care. If you don't agree with me, disagree. With everything that I say, why you agree, you agree. If you disagree, you disagree. If you agree with me, if you don't agree, because everybody is entitled to their own opinion, like Bob Marley said. Everybody have a right to decide their own destiny. Right. And old people always say it, and this is what is wrong with Jamaica. We stray from the old people's teachings, from the old Proverbs teaching, like before hand go mill, make trash go there, and all of these things. You understand? People, observe. I have done a couple of videos, and in most of my videos I tell the people that in Jamaica that listen, Jamaica is going through a shift. And when I say Jamaica is going through a shift, I mean Jamaica is shifting from the Don Man thing, the crime lord thing, to a more society that is more controlled by law and order. And as a Jamaican who respect your civic roles and who have an idea of what civic duty is, then it is time for you to be a surfer, ride the tides. Everybody has to become a surfer now, ride the tides to the side of positivity, because it is time for us as Jamaicans to take a side. Me know my side long time. The day me signed up to be a police officer and the day me served my country for over 22 years, I already chose a side. I have chosen my side a long time ago. But a lot of Jamaicans need to choose a side now. Because you see what's going on in Jamaica now? The Prime Minister is on board. The Minister of National Security is on board. With the Commissioner of Police in a bid of eradicating criminals from Jamaica. Like the Prime Minister said, like the Prime Minister have said clearly and transparently, me Jamaica, I go to prison. It's either or either. The fines are being, they are revisiting all the laws in Jamaica to ensure that when you're charged with a gun, that the prison time gets more. You get more prison time. And even though I contradicted that story, because I have to contradict from time to time, because I know that tricks in trade and matches box in business, and Jamaica is a very corrupt country. There's always corruption. There are corrupt judges in Jamaica, corrupt lawyers, corrupt police, everybody in Jamaica. Corruption is the order of the day in Jamaica. That even when a man is supposed to get 40,000 a year for your gun, we end up getting 5. With the right links and the right phone calls to the learned judges or the right attorney. Because as I have explained to you Jamaicans, and a good, some of these attorneys are good, them good, are the links that they have. And the good, them good, are the links that they have. And you know who suffers from these things? Is the victims of these crimes suffer, The victims, And the police officers, suffer, Because when you are a detective, as a comment said to me, police officers, we are working tirelessly from round the clock to catch a boy. You see, because this is the type of police that I am. If you are a suspect, if you are my suspect, say a person report a case of shooting then against you, let me tell you this. I am going to hunt you to the ends of the earth until I catch you. There's not going to be a comfortable night for you when I am hunting you. When I was hunting you, there's no comfortable nights for you. I was hunting a boy by the name of Pangman in Riverton City, and that couldn't get away from me when me I want that. If you sleep in a bush, me find where I sleep in a bush and burn up in tent. Big up the Riverton City people them. What we say? He was sleeping up in Him sleep in a bush and me find the bush and burn up him tent in the bush. There's no comfortable place for you when I am looking for you. When I was a police officer, I look for you. When you commit a case, when you commit an offense, it's not against me, but me take it personal. When I look for you, I look for you. And there's no, I do not leave any stone unturned in a bid of finding you. And you better make sure so when me find you, you don't try and hurt me. Because if you try and hurt me, then you will meet your maker. Plain and straight. Big up the Seaview Gardens police them. Olympic Garden police, big up on yourself. Ons Bay. Yes, man. Blake you talk to. No know the history. Alright? Let me tell you something, people. Jamaica is going to a shift. And next time I'm telling the story about this boy Pang, man. Because it's not a funny story. But Jamaica is going to a shift, people. You see what just happened now? You know, thick man amongst other dans are being taken out, you know. And now, not last, you know, but I'm going to say last. One more day, one more God off of the bugger list. One more of Jamaican terrorist is gone up in smokes again. You know, I would say up, gone down in smokes, gone to hell. And Corey, you know, Corey Rowe? You know, I'm calling himself Rasta Corey. You know what I mean? The police look like the police get some good information and went to him, went for him. You know, he's from the Central Village thing. But this man is named or is dubbed a crime lord. Oh, Jesus, we never know say you have crime lord in Jamaica these days. This man is dubbed a crime lord. You hear that, people? Crime lord. Yes, man, crime lord. You have to say it so much time because we can't believe them things here. In the Central Village here, after committing multiple atrocities like Tickman in the Central Village here and probably other areas too, because them boy no keep them violence in a one area, you know, them circulate them thing. They through the whole of Jamaica, you know, once they get so powerful. You understand me? Just like all them machine man from 2 miles. So. You get me? I say, them spread them wings, cause money making thing. Hitman thing all over the place. But you know what? What I'm glad about people is because they are learning now that they cannot hide from the police. The police is finding them. I don't know how, but the police is finding them. Just like how I used to find them. So it look like say you have some clown for me in the Jamaica Constabulary for some clowns now, clones. We are finding these gunmen and these terrorists anywhere they hide. So, you know, police get information or police dream say the crime lord in Akasha Park went for him. You know, operation. And he decide that he's going to try to escape from the police and in a bit of escape him decide say, oh, me I go carry some police with me with gunshots, you know, I got to deal with them police. Yeah? Like the commissioner said, how can you take on a superior force? And it's the first time in Jamaica that these gunmen are finally realizing that the police department is a superior force. Now when we come for you, you get comfort. It was a few police back in the day, like Hawks and Cowboy and myself and Spungy. God rest Spungy soul, rest in peace, Donald Pusey and them man there. They're just getting their rewards now. But people, you see this good work that the police is doing? Somebody, they always Jamaica for Justice, Indicom, and the political parties them now. I go try, you know, bury the thing. Because them start spread rumors already, you know, so C-Taka hit squad. They did that to Adam's team. They did that to anti-crime. Every team in Jamaica will come down where we put a dent in a crime and violence. We remove the criminals from the street and I take out the crime lords. Are always dubbed hit squads. Because that is the best thing they can do. Hit squads. But they can't stop this flow here. Many has gone and more left to come. Tickman just buried now. Rasta, Corey, I go bury soon.